Good morning, guys. Anyway, mag-update ta sa atong We'll update today sa Blessing House. Blessing House. The Expandable. Actually, here it's already cement like this. It's not really finished. So, I bought this online. This one. Stick and feel like vinyl tiles. So, the bedroom is done. So actually like this, looks like this, but I have to finish here on this area here, and RR's room is done already, but it's different type or different design, so like that. So where's the arranging until now? So actually it's easy to apply this. You will just like different design, different, what's this, so you have to find like the continuation of the design. So you will just like that one, then once it's already same, then you remove the plastic at the back like that. So after that, you just tip on it so that it will stick, and it's very sturdy, it's very strong, and it's easy. Actually, I bought this sales on Shopee. Same thing, Shopee. So, but you have, when you're buying things online, you have to find the good ratings. What's this? The good ratings store. So sometimes it's not really like continue the design, so that one you have to connect each. So I think this one is followed already. So as you can see here, see, it's like the continuation of the design here like this. So the end is here, then you just, it's like puzzle, so you have to continue. Omar, come here. Continue or you just follow the design of the tiles. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching, guys, and God bless.